Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about choosing right trade shows for your international business. Trade shows can be a great opportunity to showcase your brand globally. But with so many options available, it can be tough to figure out which one is the best for your business. So in this video, I will give you expert tips and advices on how to make the right choice and get the most of participating in a trade show. Why trade show matters? Trade shows are a fantastic way to connect with potential customers, partners, and industry experts from around the world. They provide a platform for businesses to showcase their products, network with other professionals, and gain value insight into industry trends. By participating in trade shows, you can increase brand awareness, generate leads, and ultimately boost your sales and revenue. However, the key to success in choosing the right trade show that aligns with your business goals and target audiences. Finding the right trade shows. When choosing the right trade shows for your international business, consider several factors. First, research and identify trade shows that cater to your industry and target market. Look for trade shows that attracts a large number of relevant attendees such as industry professionals, decision makers, and potential customers. Consider the location and timing of the show as well as the reputation and track record of the event organizer. Additionally, evaluate the cost of participating, including booth rent, fee, travel expenses, and marketing materials. Networking opportunities. One of the biggest benefits of participating in a trade show is the opportunity to network with industry peers and potential customers. Look for trade shows that offer networking events such as cocktail parties, panel discussion, and speed networking sessions. Use these opportunities to introduce yourself, pitch your products, and build relationships with key stakeholders. Networking is a powerful tool for expanding your business, contact gaining valuable insights, and opening doors to new opportunities. Bring plenty of business cards, brochures, and promotional materials to leave a lasting impression on attendees. Exhibitor services and amenities. Before committing to a trade show, carefully review the exhibitor services and amenities offered by the event organizer. Inquire about booth sizes, layout options, and additional services like electrical outlets, Wi-Fi access, and storage facilities. Consider the level of customer service and support provided by the event staff, as well as any special promotions or discounts for exhibitors. Look for trade shows that offer marketing and promotional opportunities such as sponsored sessions, product showcases, and branding opportunities. By choosing a trade show with high-quality exhibitors, services, and amenities, you can ensure a seamless and successful experience. Measuring return on investment. As a business owner, it's essential to evaluate the return on investment of participating in a trade show, considering the cost of participation versus the potential benefits and outcomes, such as increasing the sales, brand awareness, and customer acquisition. Set clear objectives and goals for the trade show, such as generating a certain number of leads, closing deals with key prospects, or launching a new product. Track and measure your performance against these goals using materials such as booth traffic, lead generation, and sales conversions. By analyzing the return on investment of each trade show, you can make informed decisions and improve your future trade show strategy. In conclusion, choosing the right trade shows for your international business is a crucial decision that can significantly impact your success and growth. By carefully researching and evaluating your options, considering factors like industry relevance, networking opportunities, exhibitor services, and return on investment, you can make an informed decision and maximize the benefit of participating in a trade show. Remember to set clear objectives, engage with attendees, and follow up with leads after the event to ensure a positive and productive experience. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video helped you better to understand how to participate in trade shows and exhibitions. Thank you for your time. Please like and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Stay blessed. Bye bye.